Hello, welcome back to the Marketing Techie. Today I want to just show you a very quick tip or a little instructional video, and it's all about your first post on WordPress. If you followed the blog or my website, you would know that I really like WordPress. It's the biggest content management system out there. I build a lot of websites for customers that's built on top of WordPress. So I think it's a great platform, it's user-friendly, easy enough for people to work on their own websites or put blog posts on or news articles or anything relevant. So yeah, I like WordPress. This is how to post your first blog post on WordPress. So whether it goes into a news section or a blog section, whatever it's called on your website, there should be a way of you getting new articles in there. Depending on how it was set up and who built your website on top of WordPress or installed it, that section might be called different things. Usually it's blog. So to get something in the blog, you need to make a new post. This you could see as something like a new news article or anything along those lines. Feedback, new special event coming up, anything you want to write on your website that goes into that section. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to do it. Great, so this is my screen. Once your hosting provider or website developer or designer has installed WordPress and they're finished with your website, they would normally hand over your website. They might include some training, maybe not, and then they'll give you a login. So the login from WordPress is a username and a password, and then you'll also need the URL or the link that you need to put into your browser to get to the login page. So once you get there, just log in with your username and password. All good, done. And once you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard that I've got behind me here. Right, so on this dashboard, this is what it looks like when it opens up. This menu on the left could be a little bit different, depends on what level of access you've got on your website, whether you're an administrator or just an editor or a normal user. This menu might change. Also, what's in this menu differs from installation to installation. It depends on what plugins was used. So your menu might be a little bit different or shorter, but one thing that you will find in there is posts. So this is where you go to do your first blog post. I'm just going to click on posts. There you go. So on posts, this is a list of all the posts or blog posts or news articles that's on the website. Currently this is a brand new install, so there's nothing, and I'll just make my first one. So I'll click on add new. Okay, so this is the screen that we use for new blog posts. Just one little thing, at the top in your menu bar there's also a place where you could do new post, and it will go straight to a blank post. This is the title of your post. You could give it any title, how to make your first blog post. So that will be the title of my post on my website. Then I can write my article right here. That's where I write something, and whatever goes in there, that's where I write the article in this big white block. If you don't see the full editor, there's a little button right here. It shows the complete full editor or toolbar, so when I click it I see a couple of new options. I can do indents and things, text colors, whatever. The other thing that you might need is headers. If I click here, I could do header 2 and my text changes into whatever your website is set up to display for header 2. It's good to use these headings and also your paragraph text for normal text, because then your setup will pull the font and the sizing and everything from the website itself, and all your posts throughout the website will look the same. If you override this, then you might end up with different blog posts looking different, which is something you don't want. Right. On this side you can save your draft and you can have a look, if you click on preview, what this post will look like. So if I click preview, it will show me a little preview of what it will look like on this website. which is fine. Then in categories, I can add categories for different posts. I could do categories for how to, or DIY, or videos, or whatever I want as categories on the website, cars, bikes, whatever. I could tag things also, just to categorize things on your website. Mostly categories is used more than tags, but you can just add different tags, maybe place names or things if you want. This is where you set the featured image. So the featured image is important. In your blog or on your website, this is displayed in lists where all your different blog posts or news articles are displayed. It will show this featured image. It's easy to add it. You just click on it, and you go to upload files, upload the file to the website, and that's it. Select will open up the browser so you can find a picture on your own computer. Okay, once that's on, the little photo will display here. Use high quality photos, use photos that you have the rights to. Don't use copyrighted images on your website. Not a good idea. Okay, that's basically all you need to do, and then you can hit publish. If you do need to add some graphic or photo inside your post, it's as easy as just clicking add media, and the same interface comes up, and you can select files and you can add a photo inside your article. Easy as that. So that's the basics of posting your own blog post or article. Great. If you've got any questions, you can just ask me on Twitter or comment down below on YouTube or on the website, and I will answer your questions in one of the next videos. Hope this was helpful, and see you next time.